Every time I walk onto the job, I end up having several meetings, and today is no different. Jim Burks is our landscape lighting designer.
What was your, of course, it's the first time you've seen the house, I guess, and everything, but...
No, I can't. I've been here twice. I was here maybe 2 months ago. Paul had me drive by.
Oh, okay.
And then last night I came by and did the final
okay, that makes sense
when
at
it's
night
dark.
and everything. Oh, okay.
So,
Well,
no,
that's cool.
and it's going to be a neat project.
Yeah.
He's here to help us figure out how to make the Kuppersmith home look as good after dark as it does during the daylight hours.
What we're thinking is washing the front. We're going to have some smaller fixtures on the post here. We're going to be picking up the front, you know, the white stucco part.
Right.
Just grazing it. We keep the fixtures in, and we actually do that at night because we can make the architectural features on the front of there with shadows double the size.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
And if we would come out and wash it hard from the front, it makes it look like it's vinyl.
I got you. Right. See, this is one of the parts I've been looking forward to because, I mean, you go buy a house, no matter how much someone put into it, you go, or you go buy a house and you go, whoa. You know, without the little solar things or the what's the brand? Malibu, you know, like
that's right.
Things like that, you know, you can tell when
what
someone...
we like to do is have anybody that drives by notice the property and say, wow, look at that property, and not notice the lights.
Yeah. They're just getting started today, and they brought in a mountain of fixtures to light this place up after dark. Hey, Nick, I tell you what, you got a lot of bits and pieces to put together here. I guess you know what you're doing.
Yes, sir.
To do that, they'll have to bury what seems like miles of cable and route it to a control box just around the corner from the front door. Nick Burks is the guy in charge of this operation, so I wanted to make sure he had everything he needed. Now, when do you get started on this thing? You know, I see the guys doing some of the trenching and so forth that minimizes the impact on the yard, but I'm a little confused. You got guys up in a tree over here.
What we're doing up in the tree is we have what we call simulated moonlighting. Instead of having a large amount of pathway lights that are high maintenance, we put a few fixtures strategically up in the trees, and it simulates a moonlit night.
Now, I understand that you guys are rushing right now. You've been here for a few hours, so you're rushing to get everything ready for a little test tonight. Is that right?
Yeah, well, preliminary night set. We'll turn all the lights on and take a look at it.
And then tomorrow you'll put everything in the ground and then have another tweaking session, I guess, tomorrow night.
Yes, sir.
That's the only way you can really see if it's going to work. Huh?
You can't see it in the daytime.
Yeah.